Hi everyone, in this video we are going to take a depth look on TOPOB YT200 Ultra Small Portable Projector. Overview. Dimension. About this product: portable design, high resolution, built-in speaker, USB connectivity, compact size, wired connection, features, innovative design, small and lovely, excellent compatibility, simple to use, FAQs. How long can a mini projector stay on? Can you use an ultra short throw projector outside? What is the purpose of a mini projector? Can you use a projector continuously? Can a projector be used in the rain? Are special screens required for ultra-short throw projectors? How far away from the screen can a projector be? How do you know if a projector is good? Do portable projectors require an electrical outlet? How should a projector be stored? Are projectors functional in the sun? Can a projector be left on all night? Does a projector need to be charged? Can you mount a projector on a wall? Specification. Troubleshooting.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel.